Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make an easy Dal Palak recipe. I really love this dal with chapatis and white rice. We are making this in a pressure cooker which makes the process much more easier. So let's see how to do it. Into a pressure cooker, add some tur dal. This is washed and soaked for 30 minutes. Add enough water, some garlic, hinge, pepper powder, 2-3 dry red chillies, and some small onion, that is shallots, salt for the taste, add some ghee, some turmeric powder, some cumin seeds. And finally add some chopped tomatoes, give it a mix. And before closing the pressure cooker, add some chopped palak, that is some spinach. So this is almost like a one-pot recipe, but we'll definitely give a tadka at the end for the dal, that one step which we cannot skip in any dal recipe. Now close the lid and wait for 3 whistles on a medium flame. As you can see, the dal didn't splash on top of the pressure cooker. A small tip for that, so whenever you cook dal, add a teaspoon of ghee or oil. Always works for me, just try it out. Now the dal cooked perfectly. You can add more water if you want it to be a bit more loose consistency. Now let's make the tadka. So into a pan add some ghee. Splatter some cumin seeds, add the crushed garlic, saute it till it turns golden shade, then add 2 red chillies, some curry leaves and a pinch of red chilli powder. Saute it nicely. Now just before serving, add the tadka on top of the dal. The taste and the smell is really amazing. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.